Welcome to Afficient Academy, the most efficient way to learn. Imagine if you could learn a whole year of school in less than a fraction of the time. At Afficient Academy, you can learn at your own pace. Our curriculum is aligned with US standards, so what you learn here will help you in school. Each student starts with a comprehensive diagnostic test, which determines their starting grade and level. So how do you pass each grade? Each grade has a total number of skills, and you must master each skill in order to pass the grade. To do this, you must pass through 3 steps: learning, proficiency, and efficiency. Step 1 is called learning. This is where you learn a skill through our easy-to-use demo and must master it by answering multiple questions in a row to increase the skill to level 1. In the learning round, each skill may have a demo, assisted exercise, and exercises. To start the demo, read the directions and special instructions first, then click Start Demo. Read each step before clicking Next Step. You are now ready to try an assisted exercise with partial answers. Once you've learned your skill, you may start the exercises. If you're stuck on a skill, you may redo the demo without losing any progress. If you're still stuck, you can click Help. Clicking Help will count the problem as incorrect and you'll have to start again. However, you can click Help after answering the question with no penalty to compare steps and see how it's done. If you answer 5 in a row correctly, that skill will move up to level 1. Step 2 is called Proficiency. All the skills must be increased to Proficient. Each time you answer a skill correctly, that skill will go up 1 level. But each time you get it wrong, that skill will drop back down and you must correct your mistake in order to bring it back up. Proficiency rounds are usually 6 questions at a time, and each problem is a separate skill. The first few skills may come from prior chapters or even prior grades, and the last few will come from the current chapter you're working on. At the end of each round, you'll see a progress summary. If you answer a skill correctly, it will move up to level 2, but if you answer incorrectly, it will drop back down to be learned, so be sure to check your work before submitting an answer. In a later round, the skills will come back, and if you answer them correctly, they will move up to level 3, and if you answer incorrectly, they will drop to level 1. A timer appears for all skills at level 3. Once all the skills have been brought to Proficient, you can start Step 3. Step 3 is called Efficiency. This is where you must bring your current score, which is based on your speed and accuracy, up to the goal of that grade. Efficiency rounds are also 6 questions, and the skills are chosen from the current grade, with the last few specifically selected based on skills you need to improve on the most. Treat efficiency as you would a final exam in school. Once your score has surpassed the goal score, you are ready to move on to the next grade. To get started, use Google Chrome for the best experience. Go to math.efficienta.com and input your username and password, but be careful because the username is case sensitive. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your home screen where you'll see this week's assignments, skills dropped this week, and extra credit work. In your weekly assignment, you'll be required to bring the first chapter to level 1, then from level 1 to Proficient. Each chapter will cycle through in a similar fashion: chapter learning, then chapter proficiency. Depending on your diagnostic test results, you may start directly with Proficiency. Once you've completed this week's assignment, you'll be asked if you'd like more work for extra credit. Click Yes, and you'll be given more problems and can achieve over 100% on your homework. You'll be placed on the leaderboard for achieving over 200%, and the top weekly winners are awarded more tokens. In your progress summary, you can see your time spent, tokens, and overall score for the grade you're working on. Tokens can be redeemed for real prizes. To get started, all you need to do is click Start, and our program will automatically guide you through your homework. All Afficient students are required to work at least 30 minutes a day at home, and must visit our Learning Center at least once a week to complete certain portions of the homework that are required to be done in the center. If you do not live near a Learning Center, students can sign up for our remote online program where students are monitored by their own advisor who they can ask for help and schedule live video conferences.